Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learnivo, where we practice IELTS, speaking with natural, fluent, high-band model answers. Today's topic focuses on hobbies, leisure activities, and daily routines, which are very common in IELTS because they allow you to describe your interests, explain your preferences, and talk about how you spend your free time. Stay until the end of this episode to learn useful IELTS vocabulary related to indoor activities, hobbies, and relaxation. Our topic today is describe an indoor activity that you enjoy doing. Let's begin.
Now I'm going to give you your topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Describe an indoor activity that you enjoy doing. You should say what the activity is, when and where you usually do it, who you usually do it with, and explain why you enjoy this indoor activity. Your 1 minute preparation starts now. Your time starts now.
One indoor activity that I genuinely enjoy is cooking new recipes at home. Although many people see cooking as a daily responsibility, I consider it a relaxing hobby that allows me to be creative while preparing delicious meals. Whenever I have enough free time, I enjoy trying recipes from different countries and experimenting with new ingredients and cooking techniques. I usually cook during weekends or in the evenings after finishing my work. My kitchen is well organized, so it is a comfortable place to spend time without feeling rushed. Sometimes I cook alone because I enjoy the peaceful atmosphere, while on other occasions I prepare meals with family members, which makes the experience even more enjoyable and interactive. When we cook together, we divide the responsibilities so everyone participates in the process. One person prepares the vegetables, another handles the main dish, and someone else sets the table or prepares dessert. We often talk, laugh, and exchange ideas while cooking, which creates a pleasant atmosphere and strengthens our relationships as we work together toward a shared goal. I enjoy this indoor activity because it helps me relax after a busy day while also teaching me useful life skills. Preparing food for myself and others gives me a strong sense of satisfaction, especially when everyone enjoys the meal. In addition, cooking encourages creativity, patience, and organization, making it one of the most rewarding hobbies I have.
Thank you. Now let's move on to part 3, where we will discuss indoor activities and hobbies in a broader way. Why do many people enjoy indoor activities?
Many people enjoy indoor activities because they are comfortable, convenient, and can be done regardless of the weather. Indoor hobbies also provide opportunities to relax, develop new skills, and spend quality time with family members. In addition, many indoor activities require very little equipment, making them accessible to people of different ages.
Do people spend more time indoors today than in the past?
Yes, I believe people spend considerably more time indoors today because technology has changed the way we work, study, and entertain ourselves. Many jobs are now office-based or remote, while streaming services, online games, and social media encourage people to remain inside for longer periods than previous generations.
Are indoor activities healthier than outdoor activities?
Both indoor and outdoor activities have important benefits, depending on the activity itself. Indoor hobbies often improve creativity, concentration, and practical skills, while outdoor activities usually provide more physical exercise and fresh air. I believe maintaining a balance between both types of activities is the healthiest approach.
What indoor activities are popular among young people?
Young people enjoy a wide variety of indoor activities, including cooking, reading, exercising at home, painting, playing musical instruments, watching movies, and participating in online games. Many also enjoy creating digital content or learning new skills through online courses, which combine entertainment with personal development.
Can indoor hobbies improve mental health?
Yes, indoor hobbies can have a positive effect on mental health because they help people relax and temporarily forget about daily stress. Activities that require concentration, creativity, or problem solving often improve emotional well-being by providing a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction after completing a task successfully.
How has technology changed indoor hobbies?
Technology has greatly expanded the number of indoor hobbies available today. People can learn cooking, painting, photography, or even musical instruments through online tutorials. Virtual communities also allow individuals to share experiences and improve their skills by interacting with people who have similar interests around the world.
Should parents encourage children to have indoor hobbies?
Yes, parents should encourage indoor hobbies because they help children develop creativity, patience, and practical abilities. Activities such as reading, drawing, building models, or cooking teach valuable life skills. However, children should also participate in outdoor activities to maintain good physical health and social development.
Which is more important, indoor activities or outdoor activities?
I do not think one is more important than the other because both contribute to a balanced lifestyle. Indoor activities improve knowledge, creativity, and relaxation, while outdoor activities strengthen physical fitness and encourage social interaction. Combining both types of activities allows people to enjoy the advantages of each while maintaining overall well-being.
Before we finish today's session, let's review some useful IELTS vocabulary related to indoor activities and hobbies.
Hobby. An activity done for enjoyment. Cooking has become my favorite hobby during my free time. Creative. Able to produce original ideas. Cooking allows people to become more creative with different ingredients. Relaxing. Helping you feel calm. Preparing meals is a relaxing activity after a busy day. Routine. A regular way of doing things. Cooking has become part of my weekend routine. Ingredient. A food item used in cooking. Fresh ingredients usually improve the taste of homemade meals. Experiment. To try something new. I enjoy experimenting with recipes from different countries. Organized. Arranged in an orderly way. An organized kitchen makes cooking much easier and more enjoyable. Productive. Achieving useful results. Cooking is a productive hobby because it creates something valuable. Satisfying. Giving a feeling of achievement. Preparing a delicious meal is always very satisfying. Leisure. Free time for enjoyment. Cooking is one of my favorite leisure activities. Practical skill. A useful ability for everyday life. Cooking is a practical skill that everyone should learn. Creativity. The ability to produce new ideas. Cooking encourages creativity through flavors and presentation.
And that brings us to the end of today's IELTS Speaking. Part 2 and 3 practice on describe an indoor activity that you enjoy doing. If this lesson helped you, make sure to subscribe to Learnivo, like the video, and comment with the next cue card you'd like to practice. See you in the next lesson.